Hello and welcome back to Split Hour Farm. Today we're going to be changing the deflector on the Toro Time Cutter 60-inch. You may have this problem and a different model of the Toro Time Cutter. Essentially you should have a similar process. We'll list the model number here for the Toro Time Cutter 60-inch deflector. So that is this component. If you're first starting to use your new zero turn, you're probably going to run into a few things here and there as you're learning to get the ropes of your new tool. As you can see down here, I have cracked mine by hitting a stump on a turnaround. One reason we're going to change the deflector is due to safety. If I were to get off in the middle of mowing, the Toro Time Cutter does have a feature which when you get up from your seat, the blade stops getting power. However, by the time it takes me to get up, the machine to turn off, and me to step here, I would have already cut off the back of my heel. And these are very sharp. These are very sharp items. So this is not a suggested method of using this. You should never do it that way. So we're gonna take care of that problem today and show you how to do it on your own. All right, so now I have my gloves on, I have my tool ready, I have my deflector pulled back, the blade's out of the way. Right underneath here, to the direct left of your unit that's actually holding it in place, you're going to reach under and you're going to probably have a bunch of gunked up grass that you need to pull out of the way. But you'll feel a nut down there. We're going to grab a socket wrench, loosen up that bolt, and then we should be good to take off this top piece as it'll just slide out from here once we can pull up our connector. So I have my 9/16 socket bit and we're just going to loosen up the screw. So this comes out with the nut underneath, and now I could loosen this up. This will just fold right out. All right, so now this is out, and I'm just going to push it through. Take note of where your spring's gonna be. It would be here, holding it in place, down. So on the other side, just know where it's gonna go back, because we're just gonna pull this off, put it on. This one right through, slides right in like that. Plug that in there. There's definitely tension, obviously, because you're putting your spring back in place down here. And what the spring's gonna do is just make it so each time it pulls up. But this end point that needs to screw in has to go through that hole, so you have to fiddle with it a little bit. So now I'm just tightening it up with the 9/16 socket wrench, and we're gonna be done here. So now we're all set. We have the new deflector to replace this old broken one, and hopefully my driving has improved since the last time. That's all from Split Hour Farm. See you next time.